This is a mini lecture on two different types of languages, syllable-timed languages and stress-timed languages. In most languages, the more syllables there are, the longer it takes to say something. And this seems to make a lot of sense. I mean, think about it. Wouldn't you think that the longer a sentence looks in writing, the longer it should take to say it? Well, that's true of most languages in the world. That's because each syllable is more or less the same length as the other syllables. The rhythm of this kind of a language sounds like this, da-da-da-da-da-da. When every syllable is approximately the same length as every other syllable, of course it takes more time to say something as you add syllables to it. Languages that work like these are called syllable-timed languages. English is not a syllable-timed language because in English the syllables are not at all similar in length. Some syllables are very long. They take a long time to say. Other syllables in English are very short. They're gone before, well, almost before you can hear them. The rhythm of English sounds like this, da-da-da-da-da. Or it can sound like this, da-da-da. Or it can sound like this, da-da-da. Or a lot of other alterations or alternations between the short does and the long does. English is a kind of language that is called stress-timed. Let's look at an example. On the screen, you'll see a series of sentences. And the sentences have three words that are the same. We have dogs, and we have chase, and we have cats. But as you look at the sentences, they get longer and longer. At least they get longer and longer on the paper because we're adding more syllables. But listen to me as I say these sentences. Dogs chase cats. The dogs chase cats. The dogs chase the cats. The dogs will chase the cats. The dogs will be chasing the cats. Now, isn't that strange? We keep adding syllables each time we say the sentence, but each sentence takes just about the same amount of time to say as the shorter one before it. And in fact, the first sentence, dogs chase cats, takes about the same amount of time as the last sentence, the dogs will be chasing the cats. That's because each sentence has three stressed syllables: dogs, chase, and cats. We'll be talking more later about what exactly it means for a syllable to be stressed and how you decide which syllables will be stressed. But for right now, just know that if you learn the rhythm of the language you're trying to speak, you'll be a lot easier to understand.